AutoCheat is designed to help you track your trip in terms of distance and time taken. It helps you calculating the exact fare for your journey based on configured tariff rates for your city. The first thing which you do is to set up certain parameters before you start using it. So what we have so far done is we have clicked on setting and gone to the location mode, where we have selected the location mode for our trip, and then now we are clicked on the tariff mode. Select your tariff mode applicable to your city and the mode of your either taxi or auto. So you select whatever tariff is applicable as being shown. Here we have selected the tariff for Mumbai. Go and see the default tariff. Now the default tariff is set. Now your application is ready to start recording your trips. You can also, before recording the trip, you should go to the GPS test mode, where you should click on GPS test, and then the screen appears where you should wait and see whether the GPS is working. If GPS is working, you would get the data displayed on the screen. To start a trip, click on the new trip. As soon as you press the new trip, the GPS icon will appear, and then you have certain messages. Once you have completed the trip, click on stop trip. The GPS icon will disappear and you will have certain messages appeared on the screen. Once you have recorded the trip, click on the meter, and then you would have a menu which would display all your recorded trips. Click on the one which you are interested in. Click OK, and then AutoCheat will display you the meter details based on the distance traveled. You can also enter the exact or actual meter reading, and you can calculate. So if there is a difference between AutoCheat recorded and actual meter reading, it can also give you. Click on the help button on top to view the complete help and read it through the help, so that you can know exact usage of the function. Click on the trip data, which displays the coordinates and the information of the trip. Now you see, go through the top table where you have lat long, time, distance of the trip, and in the bottom table you have the distance, time taken, start time and end time. You can also click on the help and then read through the help to understand the option. View trip option displays the trip on the blank canvas. Again, select the trip which you are interested in. AutoCheat will display you the route on the blank canvas, and it will also have the markers placed at the different location. So once you have the marker, you can click on the marker and it gives you the distance and the location of the marker. See, you can go ahead and you can also use the help to understand this option. Once you have done that, you can go back and click on the view map. View map option basically helps you to display your trip on the Google map. Now we select a trip and then it takes you to the Google map and places your trip. Have a look. You can zoom out and see your actual route. Basically, this option gives you the application provided route as well as your recorded route. You can have map view as well as you can have satellite view. So you have two options. If you click on the info button on top, it will give you the information about both routes. Use help to understand the option in detail. It is advised that the user read through this help provided in AutoCheat throughout all the function. Direction option allows you to search your direction. It is simply designed interface where you can enter your start point and the end point. Now here, if you see, the start point are just click of my button, which basically trapped the coordinate and then got the location. The end point, where you need to enter your end point in English text and then press the search button as displayed on the screen. Now we have got the three options, and then you have to select the one which is rightly matches with your requirement. You can also look through the help which is provided here to understand this option. Once you have satisfied with the entered values, click on direction. It takes you to the Google map and then displays the application suggested route for the required and start and end point. So you see that we have got these 2 points. Now consider that pretty easy. Just scroll through to view your route and try to understand the route, whether it is the right route. Now consider that this route is not the route which you would like to take, and you know the different route. What you can do is you can place your own route on the map which is being displayed. Very simple, easy. Browse through the map and place your markers of the route. If you by chance place the wrong marker, use undo to remove that marker. See, like, yeah. So we are going ahead placing the markers of the route which we really want to take. Alright, so this is exactly the route which we wanted to take, and now we click on the fare button, estimate fare button. Now it gives us the option which displays both fares, the application provided route fare as well as the user defined route fare. Thanks.